the name there? Cortez? Trying to hide it? Nice try. Keep this guy away from me.
We are going to detain you for picking up something and messing up with our crime scene.
I picked up a recyclable can. I'm being detained because I picked up this can off of the ground in a public park. I have not committed a crime. He has no legal reason to detain me.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. Just a quick video today that happened in November of 2022 in the wonderful city of Portland, Oregon.
Please disperse! Nothing to see here, please!
2 years prior, in November of 2020, Oregon voters passed Measure 110, which decriminalized the possession for personal use of small amounts of all substances. However, using in a public place still remains illegal, and can result in a citation being issued by law enforcement. A viewer named Kyle was walking through the downtown area, picking up bottles and cans to recycle. He tells me that it helps motivate him to lose weight, and the extra money he earns is then used to buy peanuts to feed the squirrels and crows. While searching for cans, he noticed a gathering of officers surrounding a detained man, and walked up the embankment so as to not pass through their scene. As he moved past it, he found an empty beer can and picked it up, placing it in a bag with the rest of the cans he had gathered that day. A security guard then suddenly detains him.
Oh, I'm absolutely video recording. You are detaining me unlawfully. You have no legal reason to detain me. I've committed no crime. What's the name there? Cortez? Trying to hide it? Nice try.
Yeah.
What's your badge number? Oh, you don't have one because you're just security. You're just a wannabe cop.
Well, you can talk to them, so he asked you to go down there.
And I said no, because I have not committed a crime. He has no legal reason to detain me.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
You just picked up our crime scene.
No, I picked up a can.
You picked up our crime
I picked up a recyclable can.
Yeah, our crime scene that's happening right now.
No. Wrong. I'm going to continue walking around.
Hey, you're not free to go.
I am.
Right. All right.
Don't touch me.
He said,
Keep your hands
stop.
off of me.
All right.
That's battery.
Hey, sir.
Howdy.
You're here. I don't know what's going on. I just walked up here.
Keep this guy away from me.
Okay.
So here's the deal. We had a crime occur. If you picked anything up from here, that's tampering with a crime scene.
It's not.
Yes, it is.
I picked up a beer can off of the
Let
ground.
me ask you something. Do you know what beer cans can be used for?
I mean, yes, but this one
Okay.
wasn't. It was just a can.
Nonetheless, it's still an active crime scene.
It's not.
It is.
Okay, sir. If this is a crime scene and you're picking something up,
Do you want the
We're
can
gonna-
back?
we are going to detain you for picking up something and messing up with our crime scene.
A crime scene would be outlined by
Guess
do
what
not
we're
cross
standing
tape.
for? It just occurred. All right, so give us the can back.
Absolutely.
Kyle's first video accidentally ends as he reaches into his bag to retrieve the can. By the officer's own admission, the alleged crime had just occurred.
A crime scene would be outlined by
Guess
do
what
not
we're
cross
standing
tape.
for? It just occurred.
And Kyle's bag full of recyclables made it very clear that he wasn't attempting to destroy evidence. And, at the officer's request, he returns the can to the ground as he found it.
Set my phone down because I'm surrounded by 3 people who are detaining me for no crime whatsoever. There you go.
All right, head back, take a look at the camera, make sure that it is matching the can. If that's the case, here it comes up.
So you're going to detain me for an extended period while he goes to confirm that I picked up a can?
Amount of time. So thank you very much.
This is already unreasonable. I picked up a can. What's your name?
I'm 1079. Is my badge
I need your
number.
name too.
I'm federal, not state. I gave you my badge.
I still need your name.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Now he's not going to do that.
I gave you my badge.
Yes, I need more than that.
I gave you my badge.
Yes, you're required to give me your name as well.
So, what is it?
I'm being detained because I picked up this can off of the ground in a public park.
You walked into an active crime scene.
Yeah, an active crime scene would be roped off, or you guys would have stopped me before I got into it.
We literally just got here like 3 minutes ago.
You were here when I walked up,
Yeah.
and I've been here more than 3 minutes.
Well, you were dealing with the other gentleman. I know that we've been here maybe, okay, Okay, sorry, 5.
Either it is or it isn't. Package.
Where?
Okay.
And I actually come through this park specifically because people
Sir, can you please 1 second?
hide stuff that they shouldn't, and I like to destroy that kind of stuff.
Well, I appreciate that.
On Friday, I found a and a glass tube used
Or what?
Well, it's here, not here, like here.
I mean, what building?
I'm not going to say it.
Okay.
So, but it's something that they're like, so, yeah.
All right, you know what, sir? Go. We got other more important things. Go.
And just like that, the officers run off with, quote, better things to do before verifying whether the video showed Kyle picking up the can or not. So you may be asking, why are federal agents running around Portland looking for low-level offenders? One reason is to gather potential informants that will work with law enforcement to secure larger busts for a reduced charge. While the state may have legalized various substances in small quantities for personal use, they are still prohibited in bulk and in some cases can amount to a federal crime, and many of the parks throughout Portland are federal property. Another big reason is money. Large busts earn agencies large grants, and generally, anything they seize can be kept by the department through civil asset forfeiture. Solving crimes like murder or theft don't make a department any money. In fact, they cost quite a bit, and thus are de-incentivized to work real cases. But, at least in this case, the Department of Homeland Security got their empty beer can back.
We are going to detain you for picking up something and messing up with our crime scene.
Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.